Hi friends! Today we're going to learn our alphabet and how we write it. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for ostrich. P is for pencil. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. And Z is for zebra. These are our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.